Hi there! In this video, I want to tell you why tomatoes curl their leaves, both in the greenhouse and outdoors. Most of the time, this problem is caused by unfavorable growing conditions, not by diseases or pests. Therefore, after watching this video, you will easily understand what the cause is and be able to solve it yourself. The main cause of leaf curl in tomatoes is high temperature. It is very hot outside and even hotter in the greenhouse. In response to this, the tomato begins to curl its leaves. This is its defense reaction. The plant lacks moisture and photosynthesis takes place through the leaves, which means that moisture evaporates. That's why the tomato curls its leaves to reduce losses. It is very easy to check this. Go out to the garden or greenhouse early in the morning, before sunrise, or late in the evening when the sun has already set. Look at the leaves. If after watering and the absence of the sun, they unwind, even if not completely. The reason is heat and insufficient watering. Tomatoes need to be watered abundantly, but not too often. For example, in the heat, once every 3 days, about 10 liters under the bush. Do not water at once, but gradually, so that the water penetrates deeply and does not just spread over the soil surface. Sometimes only the lower leaves curl, and closer to the top, the leaves are smooth and healthy. By the way, you asked me to show you the result of treating tomatoes with boric acid against curling tops. As you can see, it helped. The leaves are even, of normal size, the tomato grows and lays the harvest. So if you have only the tops curling, boric acid will help. It also helps to set fruit in bunches. Returning to the topic, if only the lower leaves curl and the upper ones look normal, it often means that the lower leaves are already old and no longer work for the plant. They do not curl back up, they lighten, spots appear on them. It is better to remove them. I have indeterminate, that is, tall tomatoes. You can remove no more than 3 leaves at a time, and it is better to do it in the morning on a sunny day so that the wounds heal quickly. We also remove the lower leaves so that they do not touch the soil to prevent disease infection. And one more important rule, never remove leaves above the first cluster if all the flowers have not yet set. Otherwise, the flowers may fall off due to a lack of nutrition coming from the leaves above the bunch. Trim the leaves once a week. Keep in mind that there should be enough leaves on the plant, because it is through photosynthesis that they convert nutrients from the soil into available nutrition, thanks to which tomatoes gain weight and begin to ripen. So after watching this video, be sure to go to your tomatoes and find out why the leaves are curling. Now you know how to fix it easily. I wish you a quiet and peaceful day. See you in the next videos.